We have a wireless, yes indeed, going to use your smartphone, security light, RGB, and we're going to set it up, show you what it looks like outdoors. So let's show you what's inside the box and get started. We have the base, it faces up. We're going to show you how to hook up AC, a very simple way by putting the lines in and hooking up to the terminals. You have the actual unit itself with the sensor, 90 degrees, and you could tilt it down all these angles any way you want, all over. And it's very simple indeed. On this particular side, you got all the controls and the knobs. As you can see, all the push buttons available. The instruction manual and the brackets and bolts and cover. If you're outside and on the wall and you're hooking up AC, you shut your electric off and you put this plate over the existing one. And this is what I'm showing you, very simple indeed, on the floor, that you take everything off 100%. You place in your 3 leads correctly to the instructions. Make sure your leads are twisted. Neutral is over here. Grab yourself a fine screwdriver and tighten down. Load is on the opposite side. Make sure these edges don't stray. Ground is dead center. Place on the holder. As you get a nice close-up look how this connects, you have 3 pins here. And these 3 pins here, they're going to match up like for like. They're going to snap into place hard. The long bolt gets dropped in and tightened down. When all done, you take off the film, and at nighttime you're ready to use your unit and set it up. But before you do that, you have to download the application or preset the buttons over here. We're going to plug in for the first time. The light's going to come on. It's going to run through its tests and we'll be ready to set up. While that is happening, I am going to go over the instructions and take a glance if I've done everything correctly. Downloading SOLLA. We're going to open up the app. Once to connect to Bluetooth and agreement, and we're going to have to sign in. We're on the device found A27. We're going to add, configure the new device. And there it goes. You can see the blue lights blinking. And on this particular side, if you can see those lights for you, we're done. Scanning, connecting. Connected. We click on it, gives us a couple of tips. We have an auto mode, a D2D mode, a test mode, a strobe mode, an atmosphere mode, a manual mode. So let's go see what auto mode stands for. Let's see what the D2D mode stands for. Turn on anytime once detected motion of people, animals, and shut off there's no motion in the next 10 seconds. And let's see what the strobe mode. Light will strobe when it detects any motion, people, animals, and so forth. I don't know if it's going to work at this particular level. And atmosphere mode. Look at that bad boy. Mode turns off the sensor. Head can be set to monochrome, fixed scenes, do-it-yourself scenes, and music mode. That is neat. So if I click on the color and the countdown, I have a countdown of hours, minutes, and seconds, as you can see. And if I go to the manual mode, the light will automatically adjust brightness over 50%. And it'll also have a countdown. Now if I go to the cog on top, it wants to access my microphone and so forth. Device name, Creative Group product model, device powers 36 watts and the firmware version. Now, in order to change the color in atmosphere mode, there's a little pencil we click on. We have red, orange, yellow, green, a blue, a royal blue, a purple, and a white. And we could choose our own color and make our own color. We have a brightness we can control. As you can see, it's getting dim. And then we have the little color palette, and we have this little square that we could go in different things. Christmas time, a happy birthday time, a Thanksgiving time, a Halloween time, a Halloween vampire time, and a Halloween skeleton time. We have a do-it-yourself. We can make a colorful one. We could pick our colors, change the brightness, and go for the speed and so forth, and preview it and name it colorful, and the mode could be strobe, flash, gradient, and breathe. We have gorgeous, party, splendor, and streamer. So there's a lot we can do with this application, as you can see. We'll do our best to go outside, place this up, and hang it, just to give you an idea of what it looks like outside. And this way you could decide if this product may be right for you for the evening hours of decorating your area, having a nice motion sensor, a colorful motion sensor indeed. I hope this product is something that you're looking for, that may be right for you. We hung up our wireless RGB light motion sensor, very simple to do. And if I want to run an extension or put an outlet, that's exactly what we can do. We'll come back at night, take a look at it. You got the light up. It's all lit up. It's going to go through its test cycles. And what we're going to do is do our best to get the app going, show you what it looks like. Going to give it a D2D. Give it auto mode. So it could, we're on Christmas mode, birthday mode, Thanksgiving mode, Halloween mode, Halloween vampire mode, and Halloween skeleton mode. Now we could just go through all these. We could change the colors. We could go to yellow. We could lower the brightness. We could put music to this, put it on a timer. We have a strobe mode, so when somebody walks by, it goes strobing. So let's go to D2D mode and give it a sensor at 12M. We put it on test mode, so this way it can sense you. There you go, look at that. Does a great job lighting up. So there's a lot this A27-1 can do for you.